In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SKU to Shopify, how to insert SKU into Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the SKU field, how to enter it correctly, and how to save your changes with confidence. First, sign into your Shopify admin so you're on the dashboard. In the left sidebar, you'll notice Home is highlighted. Click Home to confirm you're on the main screen. From there, select Products to open your product list. Find and open the product you want to edit. If you manage many items, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Inside the product page, you'll land near the media section at the top. Click into the page so it's active, then scroll down to the product details. You're looking for the inventory area where the SKU field lives. Click into the SKU field to place your cursor there. Now type your SKU. Keep it short, clear, and unique to that specific item or variant. A good SKU is usually alphanumeric, avoids spaces and special symbols, and follows a consistent pattern you'll use across your catalog. Remember, a SKU is internal for your team and reporting. It's different from a barcode or GTIN, which is used for scanning and external marketplaces. If you don't immediately see the SKU field, or if the product has variants like size or color, click More Details to expand additional options. Then click the SKU field for the specific variant you're editing. Each variant needs its own SKU, so repeat this for every variant to prevent mix-ups in inventory, orders, and analytics. Once your SKU is entered and reviewed, click Save in the top right corner. Wait a moment for the confirmation that your product has been saved. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your SKU won't be stored. After saving, the SKU becomes searchable in your admin and appears in exports and reports, which helps with picking, packing, and reconciling stock. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep a simple naming convention like brand category attribute SEQ so you can read an SKU at a glance. Never reuse SKUs across different products or variants. Duplicates can cause fulfillment errors. If you already use SKUs in another system, match that format here to keep operations consistent. And if you sell on multiple channels, ensure the same SKU is used everywhere for clean reporting. That's it. Log in, go to Products, open your item, click into the SKU field, enter your code, use more details if you need variant-level fields, and save. You've successfully